CIBITARI ya LIFECARE na gikundi kia Meru Rotary Club ni BAGEETA hamwe na KUWATANIRA KIRI mathithagia kuguna mugongo akiaria bisa wa CIBITARI ugite BAGEETA NAMBERE na gucokeria MWINGI njara kinya mwaka TWITITE utora bethirite bakithithia mwaka juju jukuthira ni utubonekete kureta mwantu babaingi baraboranite wega bo ngwataniro ya muthemba juju.
Beautiful day and this beautiful occasion, we from the LIFECARE Hospital, we have partnered with the Rotary Club, and it is the Meru chapter of the Rotary Club. But here we don't have just people from Meru, we are having people from Laikipia County, from Embu, so we all are celebrating this fun day, giving all those people outside, giving them a social message that in the unity there is always a strength. And because we are being partnered with the Rotary Club, we'll be featured in a lot of other CSR activities which we are going to carry throughout the year. We have carried this year and we are going to continue the same momentum next year as well. We are mighty pleased to be over here, and LIFECARE Hospital is always been associated. It is a proud moment for us to be associated with the Rotary Club. And sister, it's our pleasure and our honor to be over here, and we would like to continue this great work serving the people of this country and this county as long as we can. Whatever the CSR activities the Rotary Club is doing, right now the most important fragment is the mental health of the people. And I would like to congratulate all the members of Rotary Club for creating this sort of a fun day event, which exactly keeps all those toxicities and all those mental illnesses, the pressures from outside, from out their head, and they can actually come closer to the nature and enjoy it.
Natwala gucokia ngatho nuntu wa cibitari yetu ya LIFECARE kuja nayo na tukuthimirwa twinde twathimirwa mirimu mingi twerwa our status. Thank you daktari for that. Thank you for being with us and we are grateful. Thank you.
Anaru atu nakana mono kuthira tu state this big activity ira fun day na area itupatinite na asore betu pa LIFECARE hospitals nikenda twithirwa tugikongwagaira mwaka wetu na kinya ngugira tutaga utetheria community.